Another day, another book. But this one is a game changer. Why do some products and ideas spread like wildfire while others fail to catch on? In this book, Wharton marketing professor Jonah Berger shares the 6 steps or ingredients for creating viral content that are more likely to spread via word of mouth. These insights are relevant for anyone who wants to build awareness, spread ideas, or grow a customer base more effectively. If you enjoy learning about these topics and want to stay updated on our latest videos, make sure to hit subscribe button. Here are 6 takeaways from the book, Contagious, Why Things Catch On, by Jonah Berger. 1. Social currency. People share things that make them look good or feel good about themselves. To create social currency, you need to understand what motivates your audience and provide content that aligns with their values. This could include insider knowledge, exclusive access, or sharing something that is perceived as cool or trendy. 2. Triggers. Ideas that are triggered by everyday events or experiences are more likely to be shared. To create triggers, you need to think about what's happening in your audience's daily lives and how your product or idea can fit into that. For example, if you sell coffee, associating your brand with the morning routine can make it more memorable and shareable. This could include content that is funny, heartwarming, or controversial. 3. Emotion. Content that evokes strong emotions is more likely to be shared. This could include content that is funny, heartwarming, or controversial. To create emotional content, you need to tap into your audience's passions and values. You can do this by telling stories, using humor, or taking a stand on a relevant issue. 4. Public. People are more likely to imitate behavior that they can see. To create public visibility, you need to make your product or idea more noticeable. This could include creating a physical display, using social proof, e.g., highlighting how many people have used or endorsed your product, or using advertising to increase awareness. 5. Practical value. People share things that are useful or solve a problem. To create practical value, you need to understand your audience's needs and pain points. This could include creating tutorials, offering tips and advice, or highlighting the benefits of your product or idea in a clear and concise way. 6. Stories. People are more likely to remember and share information that is presented in the form of a story. To create a compelling story, you need to focus on the narrative arc, the beginning, middle, and end. This could include using characters, conflict, and resolution to create an engaging and memorable story that resonates with your audience. Additionally, you can use storytelling to create an emotional connection, provide context, or convey a message in a more memorable way. Here are 3 things people can use and how to use them from Contagious, Why Things Catch On, by Jonah Berger. 1. Use triggers to increase visibility. Triggers are cues that remind people of your product or idea. By associating your brand with everyday events or experiences, you can increase the likelihood that people will think of your product or idea when they encounter those triggers. For example, if you sell a breakfast food, you could create ads that are timed to run during morning shows or radio programs. 2. Use emotional content to create engagement. People are more likely to share content that evokes strong emotions, such as joy, anger, or surprise. By creating emotional content, you can increase engagement and encourage people to share your content with others. For example, you could create a social media campaign that encourages people to share stories or images that evoke a particular emotion related to your brand. 3. Use social proof to build credibility. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to trust and follow the opinions of others. By highlighting the number of people who have used or endorsed your product or idea, you can build credibility and increase the likelihood that others will follow suit. For example, you could create testimonials from satisfied customers or highlight the number of people who have donated to your cause. Overall, the book emphasizes the importance of understanding human psychology and behavior in order to create ideas, products, or content that are more likely to spread and become contagious. Thank you and have a great day.